Hello everyone, welcome again, and today I'm going to show you another demo on the Java project. So this time we have a bus ticket booking, online bus ticket booking. And before I start the demo, let's check the technology that we are using in this project. So as you can see, we are using complete MVC architecture. To manage the dependencies, we are using Maven, and it's running over the Java 1.8. And to manage the backend, it's using MySQL. To manage the front end, it's using HTML, JavaScript, and JSP to handle the server-side request. And some Bootstrap part is also there. To manage the backend server-side programming, it's using Servlet. So you can say it's JSP and Servlet project with backend of MySQL. To deploy the application, we are using Tomcat server, so it's deployed over the Tomcat 8.5. And if I move to my database, MySQL database, here we have a bus ticket database. Under the bus ticket, we have some tables like booking user. Okay, so now let's deploy the application, run the application over the mask over the Tomcat, and check how the functionality is working over there. So to run the application, in case you have configured, like you have this project and you have run the source code at your machine and you are struggling to run it, so just right click on the project, go to run on server, select the Tomcat 8.5 from here, and click on finish. So I'm just showing you the next process, because till now, like whatever the configuration required, our team will do at your machine. So in case you want this project, just check the description link in the description box. After complete watching the demo, first thing you have to watch the complete demo, and then you can move to the description link. You will get all the details about the get the project. You can mail us, you can WhatsApp us. So we'll provide the source code, project repair, database. Also we have a team, it's a support team, so they will help you to run the project at your machine. Also, in case if you are learning or preparing for any kind of interview, so we'll explain the complete source code and internal flow of the application as well. Okay, so now let's just start the demo. As you know, I have run the project in my Chrome browser, and automatically the application is launched over my Chrome. And you can see when I click on the home page, like we have a welcome page. Like when we first time run the application, it will show like this. These are the available bus, like listed bus into the database. And when I hit the home page, you can see this is the home page with background image. And here we have a footer. And okay, it's 20, it's just showing 29. Let me update it now. Let's go to footer and 2021, and it's fine. Okay, it's done. Okay, so we have header, footer. Under the header section, we have buses in the menu. So here you can check the available bus. Login option. Under the login, we have a registration and sign in. So let's log in as a admin, and then we'll log in as a customer. So you will see complete flow of the application. So if I move to my database again and I check the user table, so to view the record of this user table, I just need to click on the select row 1000. So I will get this data here. So if you observe with the database table, we have a role ID 1 for the admin and 2 for the other user. So let's say I'm going to log in as an admin user. So my credential is admin@gmail.com and the password is admin@123. So I'm going to hit the login option and going to enter this login ID, and I'm going to enter the password here and click on the sign in button. So what admin can do, admin can add buses. Admin can check the available bus, and admin can check the booked record, like if a customer that is going to book the ticket, so admin can check the ticket history. So let's say I enter a new bus. So I just enter the bus number and bus name, like it's a demo bus, and city, let's say load is, I'm just entering some random data. So let's enter some meaningful data. Go to profile and enter the data. So I'm just going to select the date of that bus is going to be on time, so it should be every day. So I'm going to enter this the current time and the time, travel duration, and the airport name is kind of bus station name. So let's say bus station, new bus station, new bus station. And the ticket price, let's say 200, and let's say 500, and I'm going to enter the description here. I hit the save button, data is saved successfully. If I check the bus report, I will get the new bus over here. Okay, next thing, now nobody is booked for this bus. Let's say I log out from the admin and I go to bus section and I check as a user I can view this new bus. When I hit the book button, so it will ask me to log in as a customer. So I just create the create button. If I am an existing user, I can directly log in from there. If I'm a new user, I'm going to register new. So let's say I enter new user and new at the rate gmail.com, and I'm entering password demo at the rate 123, and again I'm going to enter the password demo at the rate 23. Always remember the password combination will be like this: demo at the rate 123, or we can say asd at the rate 123, or we can say abc at the rate 123. It means it will take some uppercase, some lowercase, some special character, and some digit. So this will be the combination. When I hit the sign in button, I have signed in into the application as a new user, you can see here, and it will automatically redirect me over this booking page. So let's say I enter my email address or the passenger's email address. So let's say I enter my own email address and mobile number, something is it valid mobile number, number of person, let's say I say 2, and address, and I enter some address, I process to make payment. And now if you see, the data is automatically updated and showing into the dollar, because it's coming as a dollar, we can update it, that's not an issue. And it's showing 500, so it will multiply by the 2% and it's showing 1000. And now I just need to enter here my card details and payment details. So this is the dummy payment gateway, so we can enter anything here. It's not mandatory to enter the right, so because we are right data, so because we are not using any real-time payment gateway, so it's just dummy page. And I hit the book button, so payment ticket successfully booked. Now if I check the record here, I can see my ticket history. Another option, I have to log in to launch it, admin at the rate, let's say enter admin at the rate 123. And this is my password, the sign in button. When I check the book ticket, I can check the newly booked record here. So this is all about the complete bus ticket booking system. If you want some kind of changes in the code, like if you're looking for the project, you can contact us. You can take the source code. You can, with source code, you will get the database. You will get the project report with all the required diagrams. Also, you will get the configuration support. Means we can run the project at your machine. We can explain the internal code. Different services are there. You can just mail us, you can just WhatsApp us, or you can ping us over the Skype as well. So our team will be happy to help you. And next thing, if you want to make any kind of changes in the current application, in this application or any application from the Codebun, you can directly contact us. We'll provide the modifications as well. Thank you.